Hey, this is Steve with Tri-State Overland again, and I wanted to go over a new product that we just got. It is a collapsible tea kettle. It's made by this company called Ludi2O, and it's available on Amazon. I'll have the link in this video as well. It's a really neat little kettle. It's in a really nice, handy little zipper case. It's very compact, and when you open it up, you've got the plug in the top, the instructions and everything, and then the kettle just rests in the bottom as it's collapsed down. We pull it out and take a look, and it's a neat little kettle. It's very lightweight, doesn't weigh anything at all, and it's made out of there's like a heater base in the bottom and a silicone kettle part. There's a little toggle on the bottom for your voltage, 110 or 220, so make sure that if you're in the US you select 110. This little device here is a little locking mechanism that holds the handle in place. You just slide that down and pop the handle off. Handle slides into the little slot on the side. So that's basically how you set up the kettle. You pull up the silicone part of it, it'll accordion up, and then it just hooks onto the handle, and then you're ready to go. So the unit itself holds 555 milliliters, or about 2 cups of water right there. And all you do is you get the plug, you plug it in, and then you turn the switch on after it's plugged into a power source, and it'll start to boil water. Pop the lid, fill it up with water, and turn it on. It boils in about 3 minutes or so, and this was after about 2.5 minutes of running. It boils pretty good, and that's about it. The lid fastens really nice and tight to it, so when you go to tip it to pour, it doesn't actually come off on you, which is pretty nice, as demonstrated here. Water's boiling hot, pouring it out, no problems. Overall, I really like the kettle. I think it's a great design. It's compact. It works very well. And since we drink a lot of coffee and tea on the road and make, mac and cheese sometimes for the kids and everything, it's a great little kettle. I think one thing that's worth mentioning is the power consumption this thing has. It's a 700 watt kettle, which means if you're going to plug that into any type of portable battery device, make sure it's fully charged. 700 watts is going to pull about 5.5 to 6 amps of power. And you can see I've started to pack this thing down. It's pretty simple. You just push down on it, it accordions down, undo the handle again. It's got an arrow that shows you which way to put the handle into the case there, or the little clip. Just slide that in, unplug everything when that's slid in, and then you're good to go. You just pop that out, put everything back in its case real nice and neat. It fits really well, goes right in the case. The plug goes up top, and then you just zipper it shut, and it is ready to go. If you like the video and think you might like the product, go ahead and click the link below and give it a shot. Thank you for watching.